Decluttering your wardrobe doesn't have to be daunting. Here are 10 simple ways to streamline your closet without feeling over. 1. Start small. Instead of tackling your entire wardrobe at once, start with a smaller category such as tops, bottoms, or shoes. This approach allows you to focus your efforts and prevents you from feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of clothing. 2. Set clear goals. Before you begin decluttering, take some time to define your desired wardrobe style and aesthetic. Consider the type of clothing that makes you feel confident and comfortable. Having clear goals will help you make more informed decisions about which items to keep and which to let go of. 3. One in, one out. To prevent your wardrobe from becoming cluttered again in the future, adopt the one in, one out rule. Every time you purchase a new clothing item, commit to donating or selling one old item from your wardrobe. This practice helps you maintain balance and prevents excess accumulation of clothing. 4. Seasonal rotation. If you have limited closet space, consider storing off-season clothing in bins or underbed storage containers. By rotating your wardrobe seasonally, you can reduce visual clutter and focus on the clothing that is currently in use. This approach also makes it easier to access the clothes you need without sorting through items that are not suitable for the current season. 5. Quality over quantity. Instead of filling your wardrobe with a large number of cheaply made or trendy items, prioritize quality over quantity. Invest in timeless pieces that are well-made and versatile, and that will stand the test of time. Quality clothing tends to last longer and requires less frequent replacement, ultimately reducing clutter and saving you money in the long run.